got the rerun. Oh, we know how this went last time. A 3-0. Let's see how it'll go this time.
3-0, but in Monkey's
Hey.
favor.
King of Toy really stuck till the end, I'm not gonna lie.
Fortunately, we were unable to see his last match tonight, but he's been pretty consistent.
Yeah.
But maybe we'll see him next week.
Hopefully, and hopefully Munchy too.
Munchy the Joker.
Munchy the Joker. Alright, well here we go. Game 1, Grands. You know I always want to see some footstool combos with the side B. Ooh, the side B.
I just realized,
Yeah.
completely off topic, but none of us got DLC during that random battle.
Yeah, you're right. You're right, that is weird.
Oh, and the packer from Munchy.
Alright, Munchy's got a different side to this story this time they play. Last time, in Winners Finals, Toon 3-0'd him. But, let's see how this goes.
Not looking too hot right now.
Ooh, grappling. But Toon always does have the Ness, if need be.
Trying to get that footstool thing.
I love to hear that.
Oh! Oh, if he wouldn't have stuck with that, that would have been crazy. And up there, still not gonna do it. Really making the comeback.
Yeah, honestly.
Oh, but I will say it. Oh,
Joker's just so good.
need that back air.
Tabby really gonna put in damage. Ooh, more side Bs coming out from Pyra.
Oh,
Ooh, barely makes it back.
wanted to go off with that neutral beam.
Is this gonna be it? I don't know why I thought that. She was at 50.
That blade really does hog away.
Yeah, really. Ooh, the parry. Joker coming down, and the... Oh, he's trying to get that pseudo infinite.
Oh, Toon took that. But,
You never know what happened. This is Pyra.
He's gonna have to take that stock early if he wants to even take it.
Side B. Ooh, I thought she wasn't gonna be able to recover. Air dodge, is that gonna... Ooh, barely makes it back. Rolls out of the corner. Forward air.
Trying to get something in and racking up percent.
The down guns.
Back here.
Killing. Our Sen's gonna come out soon, so whatever you do, well, I don't know what you're gonna do now.
Die.
Ooh, the Mithra switch. Great. Into recovering. Back to Pyra, because you have to get something big to kill. This is close. What do you do? Wait out our Sen? I don't know. Oh, wow. The back air's... Oh, the forward air.
Well, no 3-0 from Toon here.
Alright. That is going to be game 1. Munchy does not want to go out like this. He wants to get that bracket reset really badly.
Last week, Ashura Coffee did it.
True.
Munchy the next one. Ashura Coffee went on to reset as well as win.
Yeah.
This is going to be the season of resets.
I wonder. Alright, game 2 coming up. Staying the same characters, starting as the Mithra.
So there's gonna be some long tournament day. Joker and Mithra. And Pyra somewhere.
Somewhere. Where is Pi right now? Where would you say? I don't know.
And Mithra.
I guess.
Like inside Mithra. Like her model is just tiny inside Mithra. If I said that and then like 3 months from now it's like, oh yeah, that's actually true.
I mean, they gotta keep Pyra loaded somehow. I mean, I guess the Switch is just better hardware, but like,
I mean,
I'm
with
thinking
the what's it called, the Villager Net.
yeah.
It shrinks the model.
It's possible, and I think that like, think about like Brawl when Sheik and Zelda would switch. Like that would take so long to happen.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the SD? I don't even know what happened right there. Munchy just taking out that stock. He had
He's like,
our
I don't
set.
need this stock.
Yeah.
You can munch this one.
Suits the name.
Now, if only Munchy played Mario, I think it would make 100% sense.
Yeah. Photon Edge, basically unreactable. Switching the power to try and get that kill. 58, but you know, oh, footstools!
Go.
That down gun's putting in work.
Goes the blade.
Oh.
And now Mithra's inside Pyra.
Let's see with the Flame Nova. Barely not gonna take it. That's that town and city for you. But
Now, you want the real plot twist in where they put the models?
yeah, hit me.
The ice.
In the ice? Like in the ice in the background of Battlefield? Like where everyone thinks that it's Rayman in there?
Yep, it was just Pyra and Mithra's body alone. The other one's out.
That's where the other one goes.
That's why when you mod it, it turns a different color. Thinking that.
I'll tell you, watching modded Smash is one of the most unappealing things ever. It just looks so gross with some of the mods. Like, oh, I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, there are good ones, but like,
Only the tiger. That's a mod, by the way. It's over instant.
Oh my gosh.
We've been much better this game
Yeah, definitely.
than the last one. Trying to get them there.
And it did help that Munchy had a SD at the beginning, which was a strange SD.
Yeah, true.
Rolling towards that side B to have less end lag. Arsene's out. Savi's still not going to do anything with that shield.
Just like he likes to roll around Arsene.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh, there's the side B. Ooh, tried to get the footstool combo, but you have to be really close for that to happen. Like there. Oh. Is side B putting in work, though?
yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
smash. We're not going to take it. Up B, that'll do it. Whoa!
do it.
Town and city. Let's see, just one more hit. Basically, any hit will kill. And
No, fell out of it.
yeah, backwards. Catching the ledge stall. Let's see how this ledge trapping goes.
What's the back here? That's
Side B.
still not gonna do it.
Ooh. Switch to Myth or
He's
probably.
dead on almost anything.
Except any Myth or move.
Yeah, except for that.
And the grab, no kill does.
Oh my, 171%.
Man, it might kill them.
Just F smash. At point.
Ooh, and this side B's gonna kill all the way across the stage. Wow, that's strong. Alright, game 2 going to Toon. We are 1-1.
Uno.
One apiece.
You know, some of the character models or mods are bland. I think the really cool mod that you can do in this game is the Battle Arena one.
What does it look like?
Like the ones where you can just change with your Battle Arena.
Oh.
Not just a ring and it whatever.
But do you need to mod your Switch for that?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's, yeah. I'll
But-
probably well,
I feel like it'd be cool to one day I buy. Not
Yeah.
saying I would, 'cause I don't want to get banned, but if I ever had something that I like didn't really care about,
yeah.
then maybe I would attempt it.
True. Yeah, it's a fair point. Alright, we are going to hop. Yeah,
So gee,
that'd be pretty cool.
you can make custom. Cool, man.
That would be pretty sick.
I've seen
Like with the earthquake logo in the center.
I've seen like make they're like
Hmm.
It'd be cool to have like
Yeah, that would be cool.
and granted no one is gonna see it on their end, but
You'll know it's there.
stream.
True. And that's gonna be stock 1. Toon losing his first stock as the Pyra.
Oh. He's staying alive.
Wow, it really is hard to punish that move. I wonder what is it on shield.
Our tilt of Munchy.
Alright, this Smash Roll is gonna be a very good move for both of these characters. They want to kill early and they want to get edge guards. But I think it ooh, they trying to get that trump. It favors Joker in my opinion a little bit more, just especially in this matchup we've seen. Because he's been having trouble killing. Munchy has.
Yeah. But in a sense, Munchy's running around so much that it's also becoming hard to.
That's fair. And any of Pyra's hits are gonna send you flying.
His abilities are like hero.
So he's immediately switching back to Pyra to try and get this kill. And
That's it.
alright. One more stock for Munchy in game 3.
Munchy's. This is nothing too great for Munchy right now.
No. Toon definitely getting this comeback.
Toon gets the download. How long before
We're gonna see it.
this takes the tournament?
Yeah, true. There have been so many times. Ah, that upper's gonna take it. So many times where Toon uses that side B and follows up on the Joker, but the sword just doesn't catch up back in time. Neutral B, ledge trap. Not gonna do it again. Oh, side B.
Oh, the platform king.
Yeah. Really, probably one more hit of anything but side B. There we go. We'll take it for Pyra.
And now we get that iffy situation for Munchy now because it has a ban.
Yeah, but I don't think Munchy's. Oh, Munchy didn't play Wolf apparently in the last set. So you never know. Maybe the switch, maybe not.
Maybe the switch to Daisy.
The switch to Daisy.
Or we're just going right back.
All right.
Same stage, same characters. Let's go.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Going right into it in game 4. Munchy on his final game if he loses this, but he could win 2 more and reset the bracket, but he's got to get through Toon's Pyre and Mithra first.
Guys, Munchy changes.
Oh, really?
Not from this game to the last game, but within the set.
From like the
Last
first
time
game.
these two played, he was not the default.
Oh. Ooh, that was. Ooh, bouncing the neutral bees off the.
That's it.
Uh-oh.
That's dead.
All right, Toon. If that is. See that set weight I was talking about. 2 frame of the down tilt and
Oh, that's it. He's dead.
as weak it is, still's gonna take the stock.
I thought Toon was out of stock, but no. Toon's like, no.
Toon's not having any of it.
Like, I'm taking the stock. I'm taking this game. Getting
Foresight.
This has gotta be. I guess it's probably not that late for Toon. Probably
Maybe.
not.
Well. Yeah, maybe.
Probably later for Munchy than it is Toon.
Is Toon not East Coast?
He's not US.
Oh, wow. Where? No matter where, I mean, that's a huge time difference, but... Ooh, that side be really getting all that Arsene meter.
Let's just figure out. I know not US stuff.
Oh, Joker taking that stock. Oh, wow. Well, is that even that big of a time difference? Maybe.
I think a little earlier.
Let's see where...
And just like that, another SD from Munchy.
We are on the final. Want to know a fun fact? It is 12 at night for Toon. It is worse for Toon. It's even further than the East Coast. Even though it looks like it should line up with it, the time zone line like skews around Chile to make sure it gets in like the earlier time zone. So it's even worse for Toon.
Nice.
Let's see, Will.
Oh
Ooh,
no.
I could have taken it. Side B. Toon just needs a couple more hits to be able to take Earthquake number 81. Side B going to be one of them. Another side B. Joker's got to be able to recover back safely because any power hit's going to kill now. Down air.
Down here, up air.
Up
That's
air.
it. Toon has another win.
That is going to be Earthquake number 81 for Toon.